In 1977, the Trans Am wasn't subtle. It wore its attitude on the hood. It didn't hide its power. It didn't apologize for taking space. Wide fenders, low roofline, a shaker hood that moved with the engine beneath it. Most cars from that era chased performance numbers. The Trans Am chased identity. And in another timeline, Pontiac understood something simple. You don't redesign a personality, you evolve it. Through decades of regulation and efficiency demands, the shape survived. The hood scoop never disappeared. It became cleaner, integrated, functional for modern cooling. The wide stance remained, but surfacing became tighter, more controlled. By 2032, the Trans Am didn't become retro, it became distilled. The dual headlights stayed in position, now precise LED optics inside the original geometry. The long hood still dominates the profile. The rear still slopes aggressively, but without decoration. No oversized aero, no forced aggression, just presence refined. Underneath, propulsion changed. Sound gave way to immediacy. Acceleration became instant. Quiet but forceful, not explosive, relentless. Inside, the cockpit stayed driver-focused. Round instruments remain directly ahead, but information is minimal, contextual. Physical switches still exist. The steering wheel feels solid. Nothing feels experimental. Because this car was never about novelty, it was about confidence. At night, the rear lamps stretch horizontally, echoing the original design, but simplified into a single precise lighting signature. The 2032 Trans Am isn't a reboot. It's what happens when a strong identity is never interrupted. No comeback tour, no heritage edition, just a machine that kept evolving while the world kept changing. And because it never disappeared, it never needed to return.